This one unit was giving us with older Sonos systems when there are. Hey, how's it going? Seth here with Air Theater Designs today, and I wanted to introduce you to our new friend, the $3 Dealio. Benefit of the $3 Dealio is if you want to get better bass out of your existing subwoofer or the new subwoofer, you need one of these. Here are two ways to get better bass with your system. One. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is when you plug in this adapter here, all of your receivers or processors, you got your sub out, your single female end. Your subwoofer, you're going to see two plugs in the back of it, your left and right. Subwoofer cables for the last 10 or 15 years, most of them haven't come with this Y adapter. Why is this Y adapter so special? When you plug in that single cable into here, these two ends, left, right, go into the back of the subwoofer. You're effectively doubling the input signal. That gives you a 3 dB difference in bass. What's that mean? It means that as to a normal human, it sounds louder. It's great. Your $600 subwoofer now sounds like a $1,000 subwoofer, all by adding the $3 Dealio. So that's one reason that you want to add this thing to your existing sub cable if it doesn't have one. Here's another reason that you want to spend $3. All right, so the second reason you want to spend $3 is most subwoofers have some sort of auto on, but if you play your system at a low volume, you might notice that the subwoofer turns off a lot. You're like, hey, what's going on here? You have to turn it up louder to behave, then it's too loud. When you double that input signal with our $3 friend, you'll notice that the subwoofer is going to become much more reliable in turning on when it's supposed to and staying on. Sounds like a reason to spend $3 to me, but those are quick 2 tips on how to get better bass by just spending a couple bucks. You can get these guys on Amazon. I bought a 5-pack for $15. If we can ever help out, come on by. Thanks for stopping in. See you soon.